Day 6 of the sourdough starter tutorial. By day 6, your starter should be bubbly and active with a stronger vinegar smell. To start off, we will put about 1 tablespoon of starter from yesterday into a new jar. We will be feeding this. Tare your scale. We will now add 50 grams of room temperature water. Mix to combine. We will now add 50 grams of whole wheat flour to our mixture. Turn off your scale and mix the flour with the water and starter until fully incorporated. This is what it should look like. Place a rubber band around the jar at the top of the starter. Place your lid on top and leave for 24 hours.